what, 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 what,
Oh! Everybody get up.
Black of peas came to make it hotter. We beat the fire starter, bubbling up just like lava, heated like a sauna, penetrating through your body armor. Rhythmically we massage ya, with hip hop mixed up with samba, So yes, y'all. You know we never stop, we never rest, y'all. The black of peas will keep it funky fresh, y'all. And we won't stop until we get y'all, say it.
Snapchat is from when I was at the Escuelita, and I took out some sunscreen and started putting it on, and these three little girls came up to me and they all wanted some too.
I think this trip has just taught me to be more appreciative for the family I have.
Coming here, I've seen how much we have and how much excess stuff we don't need that we also have.
The first day at the dump, they talked about how the average salary for someone working there is 26 quetzales, and I realized that the night before, my drink at dinner had cost 23 quetzales.
Come away, human child, to the water. Come away, human child, to the water and the wild. With a fairy hand in hand, for the world's more full of weeping than you can understand.
This trip taught me really how to appreciate your life. This trip has made me realize the difference between our society and these developing countries, and just made me more aware of how people are living.
This trip made me realize how little it takes to be happy. This trip has made me realize how lucky we are, and
made me realize how the smallest little actions can brighten someone's day.
This trip made me realize how you don't necessarily need things, possessions to be happy.
Human child, to the water
obligation to help others.
One thing I noticed about this trip is how people are very grateful for what they have.
So this trip has really changed my perspective on my job and what I want to do when I grow up.
Coming down here and seeing like how little they have has made me like realize that I should be lucky for everything I have.
We need to be able to appreciate everything we have and do everything we can to be able to help these people while we can.
The kids in maybe Cape Elizabeth in our part of the United States aren't as thankful as the Guatemalan kids are.
A lot of kids where we're from they complain a lot about stupid little things.
I was sort of struck by how much the Safe Passage kids and their parents are similar to us, and it sort of humanized their situation, knowing how they're not actually that different from us, even though they live in such different conditions.
Away with us he is going, the solemn-eyed. He'll hear no more the lowing of the calves on the warm hillside, or the kettle on the hob, sing peace into his breast, or see the brown mice bob around